welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how I prepare cucumber and pineapple juice. Can call it juice, can call it smoothie. So if you are looking for a flat tummy, I advise you guys to be taking cucumber and pineapple. And if you want it quick, make your tummy flat quick, take only cucumber. Can blend it, be taking it morning and evening every day, at least a glass of cucumber in the morning and in the evening. If you're taking it like that every day, like 1 week, in short, you see your tummy very flat. So if you add pineapple, also it will work, but only cucumber work very fast. If you don't want to blend it, you can chew it. Wash it very well. You can chew it with the back. If you like, peel the back. So anyhow you want it, but make sure you eat cucumber every time. So if you are looking for a flat tummy, please, I advise you, go for cucumber. Be taking it every day. If you don't want to blend it, you can take at least like this every day. Take it in the morning, take it in the night. If you take it like 1 week, check your tummy. Your tummy will be down, to be flat. Especially ladies that like you want flat tummy. So I advise you people to buy it. Keep it in your fridge every time. Then you'll be taking it, you will see the result. So this is what I want to show you now. So cucumber is very good, especially it's good in the skin. If you are taking it, it's very good in the skin, and it digests food also. So if you like, add pineapple. But this one I want to add small pineapple. I'm not going to use all. I will cut small and add. I'll blend it together. Put it in the swan water bottle and keep in the fridge, or anytime I want to take it, I'll fish inside and drink it. So let me peel. I'll peel the cucumber. So I will blend it with the back, but I want to peel the back. Before I'll blend it, I'll peel the back. If you have smoothie machine, that one is good to work fast, to blend it fast for you. If you don't have smoothie machine, if you have blender that is strong, you can also use it and blend it. So let me peel the back, and pineapple I'll cut some and peel it. I will show you when I'll blend it. Wow, so guys can see, this is the cucumber I peel, and this is the pineapple that I'll add, and this is my blender. So I'll now put it inside the blender now, because I don't have smoothie machine. Put it inside the blender and blend it. You add little water so that your blender will not spoil. Add little water. Blender will not. So guys can see it. I'll add little water, then I'll cover it. So guys can see it's blend. You see, I'll put some up there. Can see it. Can take this one. Can take one in the morning, one in the night before you sleep. So if you do it for 1 week. In short, when you see your tummy to flat, to go down, and you love yourself. And if you overfeed again, if you take it to help you digest the food also. So that is all for cucumber and pineapple smoothie. It's very good. It's cheap in the market. Go to the market and get it. When you hold 500, you can buy many as you want for cucumber. Pineapple, if you buy one head like this, can do you even 1 week. The cutting is small. If you don't want to put pineapple, use only cucumber. It's okay to help you more. So see you in my next video. We meet again. Bye.